Cayenne pepper benefits. 13 amazing benefits of cayenne pepper. Cayenne pepper belongs to the nightshade family and it is a cultivar of Capsicum annum. It is closely related to bell peppers and jalapeno. Its cultivation was reported in Mexico and Peru some 7,000 and 4,000 years ago respectively, but it was brought to Europe by Christopher Columbus in the 15th century. After drying and grinding of deep red fruits, this spice is produced and it derives its piquant flavor from chemical capsaicin. Capsaicin gives them a hot taste. It's a moderate chili pepper used to add spicy flavor to food. In today's video, we will show you the 13 amazing health benefits of cayenne pepper. Number 1. Acts as a metabolism booster. Capsaicin present in cayenne pepper gives this spice some metabolism boosting properties. Consumption of 2.5 milligrams per meal of capsaicin promotes fat oxidation and helps to keep the blood pressure normal. It helps your body to produce heat, and more heat production means more calories are burned per day. According to a study, adding capsaicin and MCT, medium-chain triglycerides, oil to meals increased DIT, diet-induced thermogenesis, by 50%, and also induce weight loss and prevent weight gain. But consuming cayenne pepper on a daily basis can reduce its benefits as the body gets used to it. Number 2. Relieves pain. Due to its spice, cayenne pepper helps stimulate pain responses in other parts of the body, which helps relieve migraine pain. It reduces pain by reducing the amount of substance P, which is a neuropeptide produced by the body that travels towards the brain to signal the brain. By reducing the substance P, it means the signal cannot reach the brain and hence pain decreases. Capsaicin cream is recommended for chronic soft tissue pain, post-surgery pain, and lower back pain. But its cream should not be applied to an open wound as it can irritate the wound. Research suggests that oral capsaicin supplements may help relieve pain and discomfort in athletes, but its dosage and how it works is still under investigation. Do you find this video interesting so far? Please don't forget to subscribe to my channel. Hit the like button and ring the notification bell if you want to see more content like this. Number 3. Reduce hunger and promote satiety. Cayenne pepper has an interesting ability to reduce hunger. It helps you to eat less and it promotes a feeling of fullness. Studies also show that capsaicin in cayenne helps reduce hunger. It does so by reducing the hunger-stimulating hormone called ghrelin. Taking cayenne in the morning helps to reduce appetite and burn excess fat from your body. Number 4. Helps to improve digestive health. Cayenne pepper boosts the production of saliva that is vital for improving the digestion process and it prevents bad breath. Some people believe that spices are bad for the stomach and they can cause stomach ulcers, but investigation shows an alternate effect, as capsaicin in cayenne peppers reduces the risk of stomach ulcers. Number 5. Lower blood pressure. Studies conducted on animals show that capsaicin in cayenne pepper can reduce high blood pressure in them. Studies conducted on mice with high blood pressure also support the blood pressure lowering properties of cayenne pepper. It has vasodilating properties, meaning it can expand blood vessels and improve blood flow. People with high blood pressure problems can use this spice as a salt alternative. Number 6. Reduce cancer risk. Capsaicin in cayenne peppers can reduce the risk of cancer. Capsaicin makes it possible by attacking different pathways in the growth process of cancer cells. According to studies, capsaicin slows down and can even cause cell death for many types of cancers, including pancreatic and skin cancers. But the study about its effects on humans is not done yet. All these findings are all animal-based, so it's too fast to say anything about its cancer-lowering properties in humans. Number 7. Ease skin issues. Tropical cream made up of cayenne pepper is effective for treating psoriasis, a condition characterized by a rapid replication of skin cells and it appears as red, itchy, scaly skin. One study shows that substance P has a role in psoriasis, and capsaicin reduces the amount of substance P, hence reducing the risk of psoriasis. It has antibacterial properties that protect the body from certain bacteria that can cause soft tissues and skin infections such as impetigo and cellulitis. Number 8. prevents blood clots in the body. Blood clots can limit the blood flow in the circulatory system. Cayenne pepper promotes fibrinolytic activity, which prevents blood clots formation. Because of the high level of salicylates present in cayenne pepper, it can make the blood thin. Number 9. Relieves joint pain. Cayenne pepper has powerful pain-relieving properties, as it reduces substance P when properly applied to your skin. It sends chemical messenger from the skin towards the joint, and it gives you relief from some occasional joint pain. Number 10. Works well as an anti-irritant. Cayenne pepper works as a powerful anti-irritant and can be used for the treatment of ulcers, stomach upsets, cough, and cure diarrhea. Number 11. Fights cold and flu. It contains beta-carotene as well as antioxidants which give a boost to the immune system in fighting diseases like cold and flu. People include it in home remedies for treating cough and to fight cold. According to a review, capsaicin relieves sneezing, post-nasal drip, stuffy nose. It has these effects by shrinking dilated blood vessels in the nose and throat. According to a study, cayenne pepper also has antibacterial properties. Number 12. Cayenne pepper for hair loss treatment. Growing your hair is not an easy task, and taking care of your health is even harder. There are many issues like hair fall, dandruff, breakage, splitting, and deteriorating scalp health which have become common nowadays. Cayenne pepper can solve your hair issues, making the hair growth process a cakewalk. It contains capsaicin, a compound that helps in healthy hair growth. It stimulates blood circulation to the hair follicles, which assures better nutrition and healthier hair growth. It also helps stimulate dormant hair follicles and thus helps to increase hair volume and thickness. Using it topically can make your hair shiny, soft, and strong. Number 13. Promote heart health. Ingredient in cayenne pepper called capsaicin is the key to reduce heart-related problems. Capsaicin has anti-inflammatory properties. Inflammation drives plaque buildup in blood vessel walls, and since capsaicin reduces inflammation, it may help prevent that process from happening. It also helps to boost your immune system, further reducing risks. It can prevent heart attacks by acting as a vessel dilator. It opens arteries, allowing critical blood flow to the heart to resume blood circulation in case of a heart attack. It can be given orally as a hot tea to speed its entry into the bloodstream. Cayenne pepper is safe to use, and it is added in many dishes as spices, but eating too much cayenne pepper can lead to stomachache. It can irritate the digestive system. It can be bad for people with gastroesophageal reflux disease and irritable bowel syndrome. It is better to check your doctor if you are taking warfarin or any blood thinner medicines, as it may increase the risk of bleeding. It can also interact with aspirin and ACE, angiotensin-converting enzyme inhibitors. Cayenne pepper is used as a spice in many dishes, especially for making hot sauce. You can also make its powder to use in everyday dishes at home. You just need to get cayenne peppers and wash them thoroughly. After washing, put them in any container and let them dry. You can use a food blender or coffee grinder too to make a fine powder of dried cayenne peppers. Or you can buy its powder easily from any grocery store. It has a wide range of health benefits, including pain relievers, improves metabolism, lowers appetite, and treats cold. But because of its interactions with certain medications, it's better to consult your doctor if you have any reservations. Will you include cayenne pepper in your diet after watching this video? Please let us know in the comments section below. Please don't forget to subscribe to my channel. I can't grow this channel without your support. Don't forget to like, comment, and share. Stay healthy.